عسى ربنا أن يبدلنا خيرا منها إنا إلى ربنا راغبون.
We trust our Lord will give us a better garden than this. Message from this ayat. When an opportunity slips out of your hand, or your job goes away, or when a dear and beloved person is lost, or when a close friend appears good to you, and you find out later that he is a bloodthirsty, then try to extinguish the fire of your longing with this verse. Whatever Allah takes back from you, there will be an unearthed wisdom behind it. And whatever He leaves with you, it is a manifestation of His mercy. If you could make out the wisdom behind the decisions of Almighty, then thanks Almighty Allah. If you are not aware of His wisdom, then adopt an attitude of patience. In all the decisions of Almighty Allah, there will be only and only good, even if you unlike it.